Weaves, a national-level exhibition of textiles from across the country, including the rich weaves from the Northeast, was put up at New Delhi's Handloom Haat at Janpath. The exhibition, held from the 16th to the 29th of March, was an initiative of the Ministry of Textiles to give a platform to weavers to earn, as also to bring them together and encourage learning from each other. Weaver from Assam, Jinu Mushahari, who is a member of a rural women NGO specializing in Assam's famous Eri and Muga silks, said that she had benefited immensely from participating in this exhibition. The good response from buyers has encouraged this cooperative to come out with new products like Eri silk blankets.
यहाँ तो सारे इंडिया का लोग इकट्ठे हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा, सब मिलके यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, सब बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है और बहुत नए चीज़ देखने को मिले, नए बातें सीखे, नई चीज़ें सीखे। और यहाँ का सारे जो स्पेशली हैंडलूम हाट का जो स्टाफ है बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है, हमें बहुत हेल्प मिला, बहुत जानकारी मिली, बहुत अच्छा लगा। उम्मीद है कि हम यही हमारा और एक स्टेप आगे बढ़े हैं, ऐसा लगा है यहाँ आके।
In the exhibition, one also met young Manipuri girl Bembem Chirom, who was selling cushion covers, quilts, bed covers, curtains, handbags, etc. from Manipur. Chirom, who has finished her graduation in Imphal, has come to Delhi looking for job and is happy to have got an opportunity to work in the fair. She regrets the bad law and order situation in Manipur, saying that it adversely affects craftspeople too.
अखोई कंपनी सनुग्रसंग कंपनी जो सिदा दिल्ली दा किशनगढ़ दा ले मणिपुर थांगमैबन दैने युमना दा थांगमैबन दसु सनुग्रसंग कंपनी ले अद सिदा अखोई बेडशीट कॉटन सूट वांगई फी अद मपान नाइबा सिगुम टेबल रनर कुशन कवर सिगुम जे आइटम जे तौजे अद जनपद की एग्जिबिशन दसु हौजी हौजी तौरी जब जनपद के एग्जिबिशन जो बाहर के फॉरेनर गए अच्छा कस्टमर के ऑर्डर पी अदो मणिपुर कर्फ्यू बन मैम प्रॉब्लम लेबनिया कोई ऑर्डर से फजना पीबा ngamde.
I've come from Malaysia and this is my first time in Delhi and I've come to see this exhibition. This is the Assam shop which we've come to, and this Assam silk I've heard a lot about. And this dupatta is really pretty and we plan on buying it. We're very interested because of the silk, because of its softness and its easy color and the way it is looking on me. And the rest of the exhibition is also good. We are still exploring the rest of the exhibition. It's been a good experience till now.
The buyers were happy to watch performances at the venue. Appreciated the textiles put up, including the weaves from the Northeast. The 8th Ankya Bhavna Samaroh, held in New Delhi from the 21st to the 24th of March under the aegis of the Sangeet Natak Academy, witnessed many renowned satras of Assam putting up traditional performances which aimed at spreading the messages of peace and harmony as espoused by Assam's great saint, Srimanta Shankardeva. From world-famous island Majuli came artists from the Uttar Kamlabari Satra who presented depiction of Keli Gopal, directed by Bhavan Barboya. Keli Gopal highlighted excerpts from the life of Sri Krishna, Radha and Gopis. The actual play is called Ankya Nat and its staging is called Bhavna. Ankya Nats, mostly written in the 16th century, upholds victory of good over evil and tells the tales of gods, kings, demons or other mythological characters. also used, and these are made in the satras by the monks. The Ankya Nats are generally preceded by Satriya performances by all male artists from the Satras, dressed in dhoti, kurta and turbans and playing khols and cymbals. The instrumentalists are known as bayan and the singers as gayan. The plays always give good messages. Artists are encouraged to spread these messages for the welfare of mankind, peace and unity.
I would like to say all the people that we have to unite, because art is, there is no boundaries, no barriers for the art, right? So always art is like it involves people, right? It never separates people. So we like through the art, through ourselves, I would like to say all the people living around us or living in Northeast, I would like to say that we have to be united, right? So it's the religion, it's the art that teaches us we have to be united, because we are human being and we are not separate from each other.
हम लोग असम के जगह जगह और नागालैंड, मणिपुर और भारत का अलग अलग रास्तों से, अलग अलग जो स्टेट है वहाँ हम जाते हैं, हम परफॉर्मेंस करता हूँ। उन स्टेटों का जो लोग हैं ना, उन लोगों के लिए हम एक ही सूचना है मेरा तरफ से, जे हम लोग संस्कृति को माध्यम से हम लोग आगे जाना है।